In German, was tust du allein in der Pool? Etwas heiß Hand? Die sich der Screwdriver du hast.
Oh.
Was tust du? Naftuli.
We're trying to fix a pool light over here.
Ah, die fix pools. Wir müssen ja ran in der Line. Komm mal raus, fein. Aber du gestehen, du kannst der Endigen ist der Line.
Okay, fine.
Willst du warten? Okay.
Ein Second, ja. Mal sehen, was die hast du so, ja.
Ist da hergemove du wegen die kannst arbeiten mit pools oder das tun wir arbeiten mit pools weil du the opportunity?
Yeah, I usually come from Milwaukee.
Okay.
In the capital, so that's why I speak English.
Yes, in English.
Yeah, and I came here because of quality of living. To be, it's cheaper, it's nicer. The Yiddishkeit I feel is more focused since we're the only Yidden here, and we can put a focus at Dogish on what it means to be a Edich Yifrim Yid. So when I came, I needed to know what was I going to do, and I'm a very creative person, Baruch Hashem, and along with other people who are creative in the community, gave me ideas. There was a few ideas at first, but the main one that I want to act upon was pool repair. So, as you see, obviously we're by a pool. I can walk you through a few things at the pool.
Ja, so gibt etwas, was uns weiß. Und ich wusste, dass die sich ausgelernt hat, du bist daran, man kijkt nach Pool, man sieht nach Pool.
Yeah.
Die Zunge im Arbeit nach Pool, was ich gewähnt, wow, kann ich gewusst.
So, first off, I've always seen two baskets. There's this basket, and then there's this basket. You always think, okay, fine, whatever. No one really thinks about what it is, but I always wondered exactly what they were. And when I started getting involved, I started realizing that these two baskets are one of the main features of the pool. And if you don't have them working properly, you don't have a pool. And you end up with a green pool. Happens to be this pool is a very geschmack pool, as big as it is, and as well it has, as you see over there, it's a raised part. Let's walk over there for a second. Obviously, we have in-ground hot tub, so anybody can enjoy this. There's benches all around it, so anyone who wants, you could sit. Seats a lot of people. You can lay on it. That's Einlala. And if you see also this, most pools come with it, but this is a very nice vacuum. You see the hose coming out of the side of the wall. If you look closely, it moves. It goes by itself.
Oh, yeah,
a lot of the pools have it, but this happens to be a nice one. And it's very enjoyable. It has a shallow end, the deep end, steps down into the deep end.
Is it down? How is it house today?
Oh, so it's very important to point out, this is a Arizona Coast Resorts house. They have a very nice amount of houses here, and I have the privilege of being able to service all of them. So if you come and you stay and you're not happy, you know who to talk to. Not to me, to Coast Resorts, and they'll talk to me.
No, they're going to happy. Yeah,
and they'll all be happy, exactly. The filter. This is where all the main water comes into. This is the pump. The pump sucks in water from here, from the drain and from one of those baskets that we looked at earlier, pumps it out into the filter. Filter pumps it back into the pool. This is the main system to get water back into the pool. These two other pumps, one of them is for the jets that we saw in the hot tub, one of them is for the actual hot tub to get water to it, and the other is for the jets. These are heaters. These two main big black ones are heaters. They heat up the pool, and they can also sometimes, I don't know if these ones specifically, but a lot of times they can also cool down the pool.
Yeah, but Ben in Arizona, that happened over my heated pool.
This is true. In the winter, sometimes at night it reaches cold temperatures, and people want to have it a little hotter. Specifically for the hot tub, they want it to be hot.
Wow.
You know, but
is that van de echte groes?
This is wow,
artificial.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this backyard is a very, very nice quality backyard.
Maar ken lijkt niet groes, echte groes, maar de mensen wel niet daarvan hoeven kan je geworden wil, lijkt er aan te zeggen artificial turf. En ja, je had geschmakken groes. Wow, this feels so good. Phew. I want to bring a serious question. Don't take it personal.
No problem.
No, personal. Be honest with me. Wat is dan grootste challenge van deze move?
So, well, when we did the research into the community, our main focus was towards whether it would be the right place for us to raise our daughters and be a good place for our own, me and my wife's Yishamayim, and the Hashem. That being said, everything Baruch Hashem panned out according to our plans. And this is y'all get the plots for Yishamayim and Hashem. But one of the hardest parts for us is to, let go of the chevra that we knew, the friends that we had, most importantly, family. Because, I come from Milwaukee, as we've said, I'm used to not being around my family that often. But for my wife, it was very hard. And don't know if I should say so much in personal information, but the main thing is that it is a struggle to let go of family. It's definitely a struggle. It's not an easy thing, and a lot of people who are thinking about even coming here, definitely crossing their mind about how am I supposed to let go of everything I know, everything I like, everything I enjoy, everyone I know, everyone I like. And I'm here to tell you it's definitely a hard thing, but it's not impossible. And you have a phone, Baruch Hashem, and you have pictures, Baruch Hashem, and you have videos, Baruch Hashem. There's ways, and there's planes and trains and cars and buses, and there's ways to get to the family. There's ways to share your life still with them, and your family ultimately will be happy for you when you make the decision to better yourself. And if they're not happy for you, then there's weiter issues. So they're not happy for your best. So
Wow. Shkoyach for the insights, the personal, the business, powerful.
yeah, shkoyach is good.
Fine, so much lucha. Yeah, enjoy. L'chaim.